You know, everyone gets bored doing things in repeat, including myself. Like in the same way, I get bored doing the normal squats each and every day. And I know you are as well, right? So today I'm going to show you some variations of squats you can try out easily at home. So let's start the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please make sure you like the video, comment what do you think about this video, and please do subscribe to my channel, and also you hit the notification bell icon so that you won't miss out any video. Until next time, bye guys.